Good morning, traders. It's Richard getting a quick Ichimoku cloud chart and AI trading review of MRVL, Micron, SanDisk, STX, Seagate Technologies, and WDC, Western Digital. Now, all these stocks have consolidating after becoming very extended from the top end of the cloud, had a climatic rally, hit the profit target zone, took some profits off the table there after these fantastic volatility breakout signals there. And then if we look at this particular move to the upside and a Fibonacci retracement, we got to the 38% retracement there, but didn't find support at the top in the cloud there. We did get to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and we now got a swing trade, rebound trade on here from this Ichimoku cloud chart support rebound. So it's vital for MRVL to stay above this bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. This is usually where a stock after a 50% correction get a cloud chart rebound from this major support zone. We can also see this May high here is coming back to be a support zone. So this is a great opportunity for a swing trade from this bottom end cloud chart support zone with the upside resistance targets, the standard line and the turning line there, as well as the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. So that's the move that we're now expecting on this Ichimoku cloud chart rebound. So MRVL looking good there after a tremendous rally. Did expect a consolidation, 38 to 50% rebound. We're now back in retracement rebound zone, looking at support at the bottom end of the cloud. Micron Technologies, another one that also went for a tremendous rally, hit multiple profit targets to the upside, then consolidating. We can see we're currently fighting for a support here at the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. It's a 38% Fibonacci retracement, with downside risk to 50%, the bottom end of the front end of the cloud. So it's moving into trading zone. Any kind of buy signals in and around these support zones here. It's currently fighting for support at the bottom end of the front end of the cloud. You can see that level there came in. Micron came back with support at that zone. Just be aware that we could still see a retest of the 50% retracement or just above the 800 for that bottom end cloud chart support zone. So far so good. Looking for a potential rebound from this zone, with back up the upside resistance targets would be the top end of the front end of the Ichimoku cloud, as well as the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud. But so far so good. Tremendous strong rally using AI volatility breakout signals, as well as the Ichimoku cloud chart cross buy signals to the upside. Stock became very extended, lots of price swings at the top end of the Ichimoku cloud, wide price ranges, and that's kind of another sell signal strategy to take profits at these levels. And now we're busy with that 38% Fibonacci retracement, as we anticipated. SanDisk, SNDK, also a similar situation. Tremendous rally using artificial intelligence, caught some really great trades to the upside. Wild price swings at the top, hit our profit targets and trading stops to the upside. We're then looking at the retracement. We had a 38% retracement just under that, and now we hit that 50% retracement, got very close to that, and you can see how the price action there rebounded from that very close to 58% retracement, and now as well as the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. So that's a nice rebound rally there to the upside. Be aware that we could still retest this bottom end of the front end of the cloud for potential support. But so far so good, fighting hard to regain support at the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. STX, similar situation, also tremendous rally to the upside. Price action became wide and loose at the top end of the chart after becoming too extended from the top end of the cloud. Hit our profit targets and trailing stops to the upside there, and now busy with a 38% retracement, Fibonacci retracement to the bottom end of the front end of the Ichimoku cloud. We can still see further downside to test these lows here and hit the 50% retracement. So it is moving within a swing trade rebound zone, the top end and the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. So far so good. Favorable price action there, but we do need to see a clear breakout above the top end of the Ichimoku cloud to be very safe in this trade. But still got a volatility breakout signal on that one using the artificial intelligence engine. WDC, Western Digital there. Also, phenomenal rally caught by the artificial intelligence signals, as well as the cloud chart cross buy signal there. And then we got our huge reversal, very negative reversal to the upside. They took some profit off the table there, and now looking for that rebound rally at the 50% cloud chart rebound support zone. So that's now moving into swing trade rebound zone to the upside if support holds at the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. There's downside risk to the bottom end of the front end of the cloud here, so be aware that we could still see a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, as well as a test of the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. But as long as we stay above this bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud chart level, the rally should be okay. But looking good for a swing trade to the upside as it tests the top end of the Ichimoku cloud for support. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart and AI trading. Bye for now.